And Steve's got a great asset in Jonathan Drouin, who will not play again for the Lightning. I'd be fucking shocked. But Steve's in no hurry, and he can let the kid sit there and rot. And he's got a lot of years to keep him. But he's an asset. You don't want to just let an asset sit there. So obviously, I think Steve Yzerman is really trying to move him. I really do, but he's not going to move him unless he gets the right deal.
100%.
I don't blame him.
But you're 100%. And why would you, you don't have a gun to your head. Let the guy fucking sit, like you said, and rot until it's the right deal for the team. Mr. Yzerman wants to make the best possible team because that's his deal for his team. That's his job. Not make the best possible deal for Drouin, but make the best possible.
That's his job.
That's his job.
Team comes first. The team comes first.
Well, it should be for everybody. Everybody who's been hired, every fucking player, the coaching staff, the team comes first. That's your fucking job.
That's right.
This is a demand, too. This isn't a trade. Steve Yzerman didn't call and say, I want to trade Drouin. Drouin left the Syracuse team, and he went home. Steve Yzerman had no choice. So to both of your points, the deal will be Stevie Yzerman's deal.
Exactly. That's what I was trying to say.
Yeah.
It's not going to be Drouin's deal.
No.
Drouin's welfare and whatever has nothing to do with the deal. The deal is the best possible deal that Tampa can have. That's it.
I think there'll be I think Drouin will be traded before the trading deadline. I really do, but it'll be Stevie's deal, like you said, Bill and Frank.
Well, let me ask you a question, Phil. What is his salary? What is he making, this kid?
He's in his first contract, so what is it, $9.25 Bill? I think.
Yeah, in that area.
So let's call it a fucking $1 million, okay? He makes $1 million.
The signing bonus. Now that's the question: was the signing bonus split over the 3 years, or was it
whatever? Let's say he's making $1 million a year, Phil. Here's my point. I don't give a fuck how talented this guy is. I don't give a fuck how talented he is. And whether he was making $500,000 or $1 million, I don't give a fuck. Here's my point. You are working for somebody and you're getting paid. They send you down, you do what you got to do. They did it to Bernier. He took it like a man. That's what you do. McGillney, one of the greatest hockey players to ever fucking play the game. When he went down to New Jersey, he had a big contract. He wasn't playing well. Never played well after the hip surgery. We got to see him a little bit of greatness in Toronto, but after the hip surgery, he slowed down his. He went down to the minors. They interviewed him, and they said to him, "How do you feel being in the minors?" And he said, "I'm still getting paid. I'm feeling pretty good."
And that's the right attitude.
But so, what the fuck? How do you go home? How do you go home? I don't like my job. I'm going home. You're fired.